Do you have flour on your face? Does Mummy have flour on her face? On my nose? Hi guys, I'm Cara and welcome to my channel, Bairn and a Backpack. I hope you're all well and that you're not going too crazy being stuck indoors while we're all on lockdown because of COVID-19. I know for us as a family it's been a huge change because we normally spend a lot of time outdoors, and now I find myself having to be super creative and come up with lots of ideas to keep a super active toddler busy indoors. So this morning I planned to do a little bit of baking with Ben. And I have some other ideas for cooking and kitchen projects that I plan to do with them over the course of the next few days. So I'm going to take you along with us and hopefully give you some ideas and inspiration of things that you can do in the kitchen to keep your toddler busy as well. So let's get started. What are we making then?
Scones.
What are we making?
Scones.
Scones. What are you putting in? Flour. Okay, we need 350 grams of it, okay? So I'm going to put it in here, and then you can put it in the big one. Boop.
Mommy.
Boop. You're going to put some on my nose?
Mine.
You put some on my nose.
Das ist eine Katze. Du hast zwei Schnurrhaare.
Meow, meow, meow. Are you a cat?
Oh! Ist da Mehl überall? Hey? Butter?
Let me get some of this flour back in the bowl.
Egg. Egg.
Mm-hmm.
Egg. Egg.
Mm-hmm. The egg's going in. Some more milk and some more.
Egg. Egg.
Are you stealing the raisin?
Oh, Rosine.
Made another raisin. Next one. Do it with me. Super. Set it like this to over. Lift it up. Wow. Super. Next one. Scone.
Mommy.
Yeah, just put the scone on the plate for me. On the tray, thank you. Okay, I'll show you one time and then you do it like in the egg and then you paint it on top of the scone. Okay? Right, there you go.
Oh, ist das lecker?
A few weeks ago we decided to start a bit of a family tradition and make Saturday night our pizza and film night. So tonight we're going to be making pizzas and Ben is already in the kitchen doing that with Thomas, and I'm just going to go and join them.
Shuttle, shuttle, shuttle. 300. Fest. Und ich drehe. Dreh, dreh, dreh. Und jetzt können wir dann bald mit unseren Händen weiterrühren. Kneten. 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 Und immer fest zusammendrücken. Drück.
Roll, roll, roll it all. Make it nice and thin.
Und so dann gemeinsam verteilen. Dass überall Soße ist. Soße in der Ecke. Soße in der Ecke. Ein bisschen Käse hinzu. Tomate drauf auf die Pizza. Genau. Und noch ein Pilz. Auf die Pizza. Und noch eine Mozzarella-Scheibe? Da.
Pizza.
Pizza? Is it yummy pizza? That's hot, huh? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah? So that's us finished dinner. It was definitely a hit, and there are clean plates all round. And we're now going to go watch a film. We don't really give Ben very much screen time, but recently we found the Gruffalo baby, yeah. But recently we found the Julia Donaldson books in film version. So Zog, the Gruffalo's child, the Gruffalo, and Ben really particularly likes the Gruffalo's child, which he calls the baby. Yeah. So we're going to go watch the Gruffalo baby. Get our pyjamas on. Yeah? That's Ben in bed now, and I just wanted to mention that when we do have screen time, when we watch a film together, we do it in German. Ben's grown up with both English and German, but German is the minority language. Obviously, living in Scotland, he's way more exposed to English than he is to German, so we try to solely have his screen time only in German. It's been a pretty exhausting parenting day, so we're going to pour ourselves a glass of wine now and relax, because quarantine parenting is tough. Cheers. The weather over the past week has definitely been getting a lot nicer, and we started to feel like it is spring and that summer's on its way. So we decided that this afternoon we'd make a fruit salad and we'll have it for dessert tonight. Making fruit salads or salads in general is something that Ben really enjoys. I love to get him used to the fruits and vegetables, and it helps him learn the names of the fruit and vegetables. As far as cutting's concerned, we got him a crinkle cutter. So this one I actually ordered on Amazon a few weeks ago and it arrived broken. But because of COVID-19, they said that they were unable to send a replacement. They just gave me my money back, and I've just added some tape to hold it together for the time being. You could also do this with a butter knife. This is sharp, so we definitely use it under supervision. And we explained to Ben that it is sharp and he has to be careful when he's using it. But in general, I know this is an activity that he will really love. Chop! You put your kiwi in the bowl?
Nicht im Mund. In die Schüssel.
That's it. Put it in the bowl. There it says. I'll lift them off and you can put them in the bowl. There you go. Put them in the bowl.
Und dann können wir danach unseren Obstsalat essen.
You can eat a wee bit if you want.
Dann kannst du die Banane abschneiden.
Can you do it? Yes.
Immer noch ein Stück abschneiden. Schneiden, stopp. Okay, so schneiden, stopp. Schneiden, stopp.
Okay.
Danke.
Mama.
In the bowl, please.
Kriegt die Mama auch ein Stück Erdbeere. Alles in die Schüssel und dann essen wir gemeinsam danach. Schmeiß es in die Schüssel rein. Schüssel.
Ja.
Danke. Sollen wir noch eine Banane reinschneiden, Ben?
Ja.
Okay.
Ja.
With noch ein Stück Banane.
So that's us for today's video. Hopefully it's given you a few ideas of ways that you can get your toddlers involved in the kitchen as well. As you've seen, it definitely takes a lot longer and is a lot messier when we do things with Ben than if we just do them ourselves. But as much as possible, sorry, Ben's making quite a lot of noise with Playmobil. As much as possible, we try to get Ben involved in whatever we're doing, whether that's cooking or cleaning. He really enjoys it because he sees us do it all of the time. If you've liked today's video and you'd like to see more toddler activity videos, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. Bye!